Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from Binance to credit card. Right, so first up, you would need to sell your crypto first for fiat, okay? Then select the card for withdrawal option. So to do that, go ahead and go to your buy crypto right here at the top left. And instead of buy, you select sell, okay? Now in here, for example, I would like to sell my Bitcoin, okay? Max Bitcoin to PHP. Okay, as you can see here, it's pretty straightforward. You select your crypto, it will be converted to your currency. You basically select a payment method. Okay, it can be to your e-wallet or bank transfer. So you basically need to select bank transfer, hit on confirm, and just click on sell. Now at the next page, as you can see here, I cannot make a withdrawal because I don't have enough Bitcoin. You'll be able to see the minimum amount here as well. So just basically click on sell BTC. And the next page, you'll be able to see an option to enter your card details, okay? Including the fees as well, or transfer fees. So just basically follow simple prompts. It will need you to verify, okay? Verify, and once done, just wait for the transfer to be made. And after that, you're good to go. That is it. That is how you withdraw from Binance to credit card. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.